Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your browser with Mozilla Firefox, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your browser with Mozilla Firefox, begin by opening the browser on your device. Once open, navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on the three horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Options or Preferences depending on your operating system. In the Options menu, look for the Privacy and Security tab on the left side. Click on the Privacy and Security tab to access various security settings. In the Enhanced Tracking Protection section, select Strict for a higher level of security against trackers. Scroll down to the Permissions section to manage website access settings. You can choose to block pop-up windows by checking the box next to Block Pop-up Windows. Next, consider enabling Ask before allowing sites to send push notifications to maintain control over notifications. Continue scrolling to the Forms and Passwords section. Here, you can enable Ask to save logs of passwords to keep your login details secure. Make sure to check autofill addresses, but only if you trust the sites you use. Return to the main Options menu and navigate to the Home section. In the Home setting, consider changing the home page to a more secure search engine, such as DuckDuckGo. After setting your home page, proceed to the Search section. Set your default search engine to one that prioritizes privacy, like DuckDuckGo, if it isn't already selected. Next, explore the Security section within Privacy and Security. Make sure that Block Dangerous Downloads is enabled to protect yourself from harmful files. Scroll down to the Certificates section and ensure that Query OCSP Responder Servers is checked. This helps verify the validity of security certificates on websites you visit. Now, let's look into installing additional security add-ons. Return to the main menu and click on the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, choose Add-ons to open the Add-ons Manager. In the Add-ons Manager, you can search for recommended security extensions, such as uBlock Origin or HTTPS Everywhere. Click on the extension you wish to install and then click the Add to Firefox button. Once installed, configure the extension according to its preferences for optimal protection. Finally, ensure your Firefox browser is up to date by clicking on the three horizontal lines again and selecting Help. By following these steps, you'll enhance the security of your Mozilla Firefox browser effectively. You are now equipped with the knowledge to navigate the web more securely with Mozilla Firefox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.